Hi everyone, I'm Iti Rathod. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do this makeup. This is as good as bridal though. After I was finished with the makeup, I realized that this is what brides are wearing. I started wearing this makeup with the mindset that I will do something, some fantasy makeup. So there is a lot of pink going on here. I put a lot of pink blush here to try to make it more, but it seems that it is not showing so much in this video. Yes, we are going to head right into the video. Let's see, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Mwah.
So I'm just using cello tape on the corner of the eye so that I don't make a mess. Cello tape on the eyes. I am going to draw an outline with this color bar pencil, and this will be my guideline to the work that I'm going to do on this eye. And I'm going to follow my natural eye shape, which is almond, and this wing that I'm drawing, I'm going to take it further towards my inner corner. And this is a rough drawing, so don't sweat over it. Now I'm just filling the wing, just the outer corner of the wing with the same color. Need to correct the placement of the tape. This is my first time that I've used cello tape while doing my eye makeup. So let's see how it goes. And you know what, I'm going to draw different wings on both the eyes because mistakes are going to happen, but I am going to correct it eventually. Now that the pencil thing is done, I'm going to fill this wing with dry eyeshadow. This brown color from my Smashbox cosmetic eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to follow the brown line that I drew on my eye. Just on that brown part, I'm going to use this dark brown eyeshadow. It will also prevent my eyeshadow from smudging. I'm just drawing everything on top of that brown line, so there's not much going on here. Keep correcting in between because you're only human, your hands will shake. Repeat the same step on the other eye. This is how it looks. Smashbox cosmetic palette. I'm going to use the lightest color in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to put that color on the area that I'm not wearing the dark color, which is my brow bone and my eyelid, the ball of the lid. So I will keep correcting my wing because this eye is little different from the other eye, and eventually I am going to correct it. So the light color will enhance the brow bone and the area where I have not used the dark color. Remember the concealer step from my last video. This is going to do the same. This will show glitter more and will make my eyes appear bigger. Taking a break, sipping my tea. I use the brown color. I'm going to add a little black color on the outer corner, just the wing of the eye. Just fill the wing with little black color for more definition and that smoked out look. Angular brush gives more precision, so I'm going to use this brush. That brush was making blunders and ruining all my work. One glitter that I'm going to use, and okay, I dropped some, but I will show you how it looks. This is not orange, this is a very multicolor glitter. Brush and using the Krylon glitter glue on the area where I use the light color eyeshadow and where there is no dark color eyeshadow. Alright, so just this part, the lid of the eye, center lid of the eye, I am applying this glue, and I'm going to take my flat color bar brush. With it I'm going to apply the glitter. Now I don't know why did I cover my face, because I got lost while doing makeup. So this is my color bar flat brush, and with it I'm going to apply glitter. So these things, they look very complicated, but trust me, once you start doing it, it is not complicated. It is about having fun and just go with it. Do whatever you feel like, since there are no hard and fast rules for makeup. So this is what we are doing here, having fun with colors, brushes, glitter. Keep adding glue because it dries off fast, and leave that outer corner, okay? Don't apply glitter on the wing, just the center of the eye. I'm going to take the excess glitter off with my spoolie. Following the same step on the other eye. This is a very multicolor glitter. This is not orange. It is looking orange in the video, but this is a very multicolor, transparent, translucent rather, color of glitter, and reflects eye and looks great. This took a lot of time, and I am going to wear my eyeliner. And now I covered my face. I don't know why, because again I got lost. So just draw a rough eyeliner. As I mentioned in my previous video, glitter and eyelash will hide all your flaws. Just draw it roughly. Go eyelash curler. I am curling my eyelash so that they get merged with my fake eyelashes. Add some mascara. This is a MAC eye pencil. The special thing about this pencil is this is in white color and it is going to make my eyes look really big, and so I'm going to put that eye pencil in my waterline, and this will give me a little animated look that I'm going for, a little, cartoonish look. Now I'm going to take that angular brush, and with this color from the eyeshadow palette, I will just draw a rough line on the lower lash to give it a complete look. And I always follow this step while doing my eye makeup. And this is going to smudge the black lines also. And I will of course keep correcting it in between.
Are almost Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and my Real Technique brush, and I'm going to just buff everything, the concealer into my face, and if there's anything I'll add more. I'm going to cover my face fully today. You never know, I might look like a kid going to annual function. It's okay, since this is fantasy makeup, I don't really care. You do as you please. Looks like after lighter now, I have Krylon highlighter palette. I'm going to use the lightest one, this one here, and let's see how it looks. I'm going to do this one. Since this is fantasy makeup, you can wear as much as you want to. Done with my base and highlighter and foundation. What am I saying? I'm going to do a little blush, not much. Let's see what I can use. This is a huge palette, as you can see, from Krylon. This is a nude palette, and this has a lot of shades. Half of them are broken, but I'm going to use something next. I don't know, just some color. Baby going to a belly dancing. I'm just going to use a little bit here, and then I'm going to smudge it. Lipstick I should go for, so I'm just going to draw my lips and then decide what color I want. I have some lashes on. This is from MAC. It's 114 lipstick because I used pink lipstick and I did not like it. Look, this is what I did with my eyes. Face is not much, but this is my fantasy look. And I used a little more here because I always want to mold. And this is a fantasy makeup and I can do anything. I felt like I need a little more fantasy on my face, so I used my pink eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution London palette, and I'm using this pink eyeshadow on my face. So I've put a little and I'm going to put a little bit more. Since I have really small forehead, just wait and watch as to what I do with it. Makeup palette, the lightest color in the palette, highlighter palette, and I'm going to use it here. I want to go for more pink, just like this. I want to feel like a kid who gets ready for the annual function. I know this is not the ideal color for me. I don't know doing this, but I'm with my makeup, highlighter and everything, and I like this pink thing going on here. And I want to wear earrings. I am deciding which one should I wear. Shall I wear these? With my earrings and everything, and I am going to wear something simple beneath it with my fantasy makeup, and that is how I look.
So this makeup is all about having fun. Have fun with your makeup. And happy Halloween!